Hello class, this is Mark McInch with APD1. This will be my week 3 video for the Milestone 2 update. Am I keeping on schedule? I would say I am keeping on schedule with the app that I am building. I've implemented a few features. It's actually a pretty simplified app. I'll bring it up here. First of all, and show you a little bit here. This is the, of course, my storyboards, and I must say I do love these storyboards. First off, if I can bring this in a little bit, I do have the navigation controller with the tab bar controller. I have the 3 tabs down here. First one you're going to get is a table view here. My app is called the Canine Life Expectancy app. I do have the prototype cells. I got a UI image here with a label. I went ahead and decided to go ahead with 20 different dogs. Those are the most popular dogs that's out there. Once you click on a dog, it'll take you to this this screen here, which is a lifespan. It'll give you a little bit information about it and then bring you back. Also, I have a calculator here, which you can actually use. I've made this calculator from scratch. Spent a lot of time on it. This was last week. I got this all completed. This week, I spent a lot of time on this table view and the prototype cells, getting it all going. And I must say, it wasn't really hard. It's just a pretty time-consuming. A lot went into this, and very little time that I do have. I made it all work. So anyway, and then the only thing that I really didn't get implemented, like I said, these two, the table view is implemented for this week and it works great. And this was like last week, the calculator. This here's just static information here I have for an additional view. Or additional information. What this is going to be is this is basically going to tell you that your life expectancy of your pet that you have. It plays different parts on the animal's actual health, the environment that your dog lives in, your dog's diet, and dogs are just like anything else. Part of your family, whatever. They stress out like you do. If you're fighting with your wife, you're fighting with your kids, you're doing whatever. Dogs do hear that, see that, know that, and I mean they stress, and it's not good for them either. So it all plays a big part on it. And also I'm going to put in here also about the calculator, to where you can actually take the calculator, and of course we all know that in human years you'd take your dog's age and then times it by 7, and it'll give you your dog's age in human years. So anyway, that being said, see if I can pull it up here. Let's see, there's a simulator. I got my little icon going on here. You click it, and like I said, I picked 20 of the most popular dogs that's out there. Of course, Pit Bull I put first because that's the dogs that I have, and the Boxer Rottweiler, German Shepherd, Chow, Bull Mastiff, Airedale. But anyway, you get the gist of the idea. There is 20 of the most popular dogs that's out there, and then you just click on one of the dogs and it'll tell you a little information about them and their lifespan expectancy. And then get the back button there, will take you back. It did a little horizontal flip there. Boxers the same way. All of them work. Tells you great. But like I said, the additional information that's to come for next week when I finish it up. I'd like to get a little bit more better user interface going on with it. Maybe some images in the background or some color. I'm just always stressed for time for a lot of these things. And I know this app, I don't know, it's an easy app, but it's not real easy. I can tell you what, since I've been in the program, this is actually the biggest and hardest app that I've built so far in the program. So just for instance, if your dog is 12 years old, and you times that by 7, in dog years, and then your dog will be 84 years old. And then, of course, the calculator works great too, so you can just, -2 if you wanted it equals, and then you can just +9 with that, and equals 91. So that works great. Clear it out. Like I said, the additional information is the only thing that's not working right now, which will next week. And hopefully I can maybe, I'm not for sure what I want to do, maybe put some images in there, a little more color, to get a little color back here. I mean, it's no big deal. It's nothing big, but I mean, it seems, I don't know, it's just all I can tell you is I got really a lot of time spent in this app. I know it's nothing really spectacular, but I'm gathering all the images and everything, and getting the implementation for it to all work is taking me some time. Just to go over it real quick, just a little bit of the code here in my View Controller M. Exactly, this is where I actually put it all in here. I made a custom class for the dogs, where the actual description and the dog and the image is all in here into the View Controller M, but it all comes from the custom class that I made, and then of course the custom cell, which we've all been through that. We all know how that works, and then that's basically it. And then of course the calculator, well, I spent a lot of time on the calculator. Of course that was last week, but everything works good. I did use a switch method for the calculator. I'm not for sure if I mentioned that last week or not, and I just did some research on it, and it took me a lot of time, and there's just a lot of work that goes into this, and like I said, this is, I think, the biggest app that I've made so far. I'm real happy with it, and everything's working great. I have no errors, no issues, and I hope everybody had a really great week, and we'll see y'all next week, and take care. Thanks a lot.